G'day folks. In this video we're going to be having a look at collecting like terms and simplifying some algebraic expressions. This is one of the first things that we need to understand in algebra for us to go forward and do more complicated things. So let's have a look. All right, now we're going to have a look at a few that have got a few more terms in them. Might make it a little bit more complicated, but this is how we do these ones. Once again, I need to go through the whole expression and identify all the terms that are the same. So the first one is 6s, and I'm going to look for all the other ones with just an s, and I've got 4s, and that's it for the terms ending in s. Next I've got minus 9 by itself, so I'm looking for any other numbers that are by themselves. So we've got a minus 7 and a plus 2. They're all like terms as well. And then the last one that we have is minus 7b, and there's only one term with a b in it. Okay, now we've identified all our like terms, we can start to collect them and simplify them. We'll start with the s's. So we've got 6s take away 4s. 6 take 4 is 2, so we're going to have 2s. Then we have our numbers that are by themselves without a letter after them. We have minus 9, take away 7 plus 2. Once we combine those together, we're going to get minus 14. So we'll write that in our answer next. Then the only other term is minus 7b. And since there's no other b's, that can't be simplified any further. So we're just going to write that straight as it is, minus 7b. In this next one, we've got minus 6y minus 4y plus 9y. They're all like terms because they just have a y. The other part of this expression is plus 7x, and this term's by itself because we don't have any other x's. So then we simplify the y's. So we have minus 6y minus 4y plus 9y. Combine them together, and we're going to minus 6 minus 4 plus 9 is minus 1, so we've got minus y. So that's all the y terms taken care of, and then we just have to include our plus 7x. We just put that on the other side of the equal sign. Right, looking at this next one, we've got 5p and we've got a minus 5p. So they're like terms. And we've got a minus 9 and a plus 11, which are also like terms. Let's start by combining 5p and minus 5p. So 5p take 5p is going to be equal to 0 or nothing. So I don't need to write anything on the other side of the equal sign for the p part. So then we're just going to combine the coefficients in red. So we've got minus 9 plus 11. When we combine them, they total up to 2. And that's our final answer. All right, looking at our next term, we've got 7n. And we've also got a minus 2n. And we've got a plus 5m and a plus 3m. Let's combine our like terms, 7n minus 2n, which gives us 5n. Then we'll combine our plus 5m plus 3m. When put together, will give us 8m. So our final simplification is 5n plus 8m, and we can't simplify any further than that. Okay, I'm going to leave the last couple for you to do on your own. Have a go, and I will drop the answers in the description.